Hey, good morning, good afternoon. How are you? Lou Mosca, American Management Services, and welcome to today's edition of Straight Talk. And I read an article yesterday about how family-owned smaller restaurants in Orlando, where I live, are closing rapidly. And, you know, the big change, the Cheesecakes, the Dardens, the Landrys, the Ruth's, Chris, you know, they have the ability to raise capital and do whatever they need to do, right? But the little guys, the mom and pop guys, they really struggle. And just think about it. Cost of food has gone up. Cost of raw materials, their food. Cost of eggs have gone up. Their insurance costs have gone through the roof. Cost of labor has gone up dramatically. I have a friend who's paying dishwashers $25 an hour, and they're quitting day in and day out. It's just crazy land, right? And then add to that, landlords just keep raising the rent because to some degree they don't have a choice. Interest rates are higher or have been higher, and insurance costs are ridiculously high. So my point in telling you this or sharing this with you is that if I have a hobby, my hobby is restaurants. And I'm going to encourage you each to go to an independent, small business, small restaurant in your community once a week, twice a week. It'll make the difference in their life, right? So, yeah, I love the Del Frisco's and Ruth's Chris and all those other big guys, but go to the little guy. Go to the mom and pop where you're dealing with a family. Try to help them out and give them some business each and every week if you can, and encourage your employees to do the same thing, okay? So that's just my restaurant soiree for today, okay? So if you like what we do on Straight Talk, like, share, and subscribe. Follow us anytime. Call me, LinkedIn, whatever works for you. But I'm going to go to an independent, family-owned restaurant tonight, and I hope you do the same thing.